Hey, it's Sean with Quick Attach Attachments here again. Today I'm running this Quick Claw industrial grapple rake here today, and this is an absolute gem of an attachment when it comes to pretty much any use you have. It's a short little grapple rake on the bottom. It's got massive cylinders. Look at this thing here. So what we've got is we've got 1.5 inch rod, 3-inch bore cylinders, all grade 100 steel. We got a 6x6 mainframe backbone there that you can see. That's the support structure for the whole works. It's a very stout but light grapple, so it works on many different size machines. It's industrial, commercial grade. Many of these in the field for 5, 10, 15 years. It's just an unbelievable grapple, and I'm going to show you how this thing works here today and some of the cool things you can do with it. So this is a real multi-purpose tool. I mean, if you're a landscaper, you're just you're a homeowner, you've got some property, you like to hunt, you got some hunting property, you can literally use this thing to till the ground up, to prep for seed. You can use it basically as a dozer blade. And, got a little deep there. And you just put the teeth into the ground, and you push. You push. You push. You push. You push. Okay, we got the ground stripped. We're going to come back here. We're going to drop those teeth into the ground again. Get a little deep. And we're just stripping this off as though we're going into, we're going to plant some crops for some deer hunting property. There's no need to have a tiller when you can just go in there with the Quick Claw, with the short little tines, put them in the dirt. Okay, now I'm going to open it up and I'm going to back drag. I'm going to put those top teeth in the ground, and I'm just going to back drag, creating a nice soft area to plant some seed in here. So that kind of gives you a general idea of how that works. I mean, I could sit out here and keep working it, but I just wanted to show you what this thing is capable of. A lot of people think of a grapple as a grapple, but man, you can really work up some ground with this thing. Obviously, one of the most important things a grapple can do is grapple. With those massive cylinders I mentioned at the opening here of this video, they can pretty much hold whatever your machine's capable of holding. The nice thing about the Quick Claw with the short tines in the bottom, you see I've got a chunk of concrete here I've got it positioned over, and all I got to do is come down on that concrete, close the grapple, get it nice and tight, pick it up. I mean, there's nothing supporting this thing other than the cylinders, so that just shows you the strength of that. It's a nice chunk of concrete. So the other thing is, when you go to dump it, if you got a high trailer, you don't have to worry about getting the long tines up over the trailer. You could just literally pick it up and dump it over the top of the trailer. All right, let's see how this thing handles some logs here.